I didn't even want to make this video at first, but I want to make it to help you guys. The secret to making money with meme coins. This applies to altcoins to some extent, but applies more so to meme coins. This secret is a fundamental concept in cryptocurrency. This video will be pretty short, but make sure to watch till the end because I think that this concept is extremely important. It will make or break your portfolio in my opinion. And this secret is Bitcoin dominance. Now, you've definitely heard of this term if you've been invested at all in the crypto space, and Bitcoin dominance basically relates to how altcoins and other meme coins perform relative to Bitcoin. It basically represents the total market share of cryptocurrency that Bitcoin dominates, and as Bitcoin dominance falls, usually you see a rise in altcoin prices. This is because the money from profit taking of Bitcoin flows into these altcoins, into these meme coins, and that's when you see altcoin season. Now, taking a look at this graph in TradingView, we see this top chart is of Dogecoin, right, in the past 3 bull runs, and then this bottom chart is Bitcoin dominance in the last 3 bull runs. Now, as you can see, right, we have Bitcoin dominance goes down every single year because of the amount of altcoins, right, coming into the crypto space, right? So like in 2014, 2015, you had almost like a 90% Bitcoin dominance. And as you go down, you see Bitcoin dominance rise and fall and rise and fall. Eventually, right now we are about right here, right, at 45% Bitcoin dominance. Now, if you're good at spotting patterns, then you can definitely see every single time Bitcoin dominance falls, right? So right here, 2017, we have Bitcoin dominance fall, and at the same time we have a rise in Dogecoin price, right? Basically at the exact same time. Now in the bear market, we see Bitcoin dominance rise, and then leading up to the top of the bull market, which is around this peak right here in 2021, January 2021, that was the peak of Bitcoin dominance. That is when you actually saw Dogecoin have an astronomical pump in its price, right? Dogecoin basically hit a 100x. So at this tip of Bitcoin dominance, the price of Dogecoin was still basically a quarter of a cent. And right when you saw this dip in Bitcoin dominance, which only happened just in a couple of weeks, you saw a monumental rise in the Dogecoin price, right? Dogecoin basically did 100x last year, even more if you caught it at these bottoms over here. So that just shows you how much momentum an altcoin, or especially a meme coin, can carry when Bitcoin dominance falls. Going into this most recent bear market, you did see Bitcoin dominance stay at these lower ranges, and then now it's once again rising. So how high is it going to rise? Well, I don't think it's going to rise back to the Bitcoin dominance highs of 2021 because typically Bitcoin dominance lowers every single year. But let's say we're going to hit Bitcoin dominance around this range, right? So let's say like this is the peak of Bitcoin dominance. Well, right now, as you can see, the Dogecoin price, of course, we're looking at a logarithmic graph. So the price right now of Dogecoin is around 17 cents. It hit a high of around 70 cents. So we still have a ways to go to hit its all-time highs for Dogecoin. And as you can see, the point where we hit all-time highs for Dogecoin in 2021 was right here. Okay, right here. That's when we actually saw Bitcoin dominance peak completely and actually start falling. And that's going to be the signal to where we see full meme coin season, full altcoin season. So let's say Bitcoin dominance, right, rises, and maybe let's just say February 2025, that's where the peak of Bitcoin dominance is. Let's just say, I'm not a prophet, I don't know when Bitcoin dominance is going to hit its all-time highs, but let's just say right here in 2025. So that's going to be where the rally fully starts for Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is probably going to do this over the next couple of months, and then right here, that's when you're going to see a monumental rise in the price of Dogecoin. So boom, Dogecoin hits $2, $3, and that's going to correlate directly with this peak of Bitcoin dominance. And of course, Bitcoin dominance is going to fall. Dogecoin price is going to go up, and that's how the cycle continues. This cycle has literally continued for every single meme coin that's survived the bear market. Now, if you look at something like Shiba, right, Shiba Inu. So here we found the price of SHIB USD, and as you can see, when Bitcoin dominance falls in 2021, that's when you actually see a rise in the price of SHIB. Now, right now, what are we seeing? We're seeing SHIB start rising and start catching up to its all-time highs, and you're seeing Bitcoin dominance start catching up to its all-time highs as well. And once this top of Bitcoin dominance comes in, that's when you're going to see SHIB absolutely skyrocket to new heights, right? That's when you're going to see the 100%, 200%, 300% gains in one day. And that's going to happen for all meme coins across the board. Now, of course, with Doge and SHIB, these are very large market cap meme coins, which is why I think they're actually very safe meme coins. I think they're pretty safe 2 to 3x conservatively. But if you look at other meme coins, right, like Pepe, like Brett, some of these other meme coins that I'm very bullish on can return much larger percentage gains when Bitcoin dominance dips. So when Bitcoin dominance peaks out and dips, you're going to see, right, Doge and SHIB maybe do a 2 to 3x, but then you're going to see something like Pepe do a 10x. You see something like Brett do a 20x. You're going to see all of these coins do massive numbers. All these meme coins do massive numbers. That is just my philosophy. That is what I think is going to happen based on the data that has been presented to us in the past 3 cycles. And I think something like this could very well happen this cycle. I don't want to make this video too long, but just know that meme coins are going to be the hardest runners in a full bull market. So in a full altcoin market, when you have, all of your altcoins, you have Caspa, do a 10x, you have all these other altcoins do a 10x, meme coins are going to actually run the hardest. And that's just psychological. When your retail traders log on to Coinbase, they see Pepe, they see Brett, those are going to be the coins that they buy. With meme coins, all fundamentals go out the window. Meme coins are a play on psychology, right? This is what the retail investors are going to want to buy because they are shiny, they're fun, right? They're memes. Now, I am not saying go 100% in on meme coins. That is not a good thing to do because there is inherently a lot more risk with meme coins because they don't have the fundamentals that a lot of these other projects have, right? They're memes at the end of the day, and they're driven by the community. So I think it's still important to get some exposure into memes. About 10% of my portfolio is in meme coins, and that percentage might actually rise in the coming weeks and months. So that's going to be it for the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. Tell me what meme coins you're buying down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video.